These guys load gore scattered all over the road, and he kindly would not have had time to pick it all up by himself. Then the orange car driver blocked traffic and random people come to his aid. These women saw a stray dog asleep on the cool ground and decided to wrap it up with her scarf to protect it from the rain. Person in need when this poor girl was extremely emaciated and refused to eat. A veterinarian decided to eat breakfast from identical bowls with her in a case, and it works if only everyone had a heart as big as this man does. When protesters heard the sound of a siren, they immediately got out of the way so an ambulance could get to a person in need. This guy's car stalled right in the middle of a tunnel. Suddenly, a motorcyclist came to his aid, and then another stranger. They pushed the car out of the tunnel with their feet without even getting off. The owner of a expensive car was leaving a parking lot when he saw a poor man struggling to push hill. He could have just driven but here's what he did. This is what it means to always remind human. This guy had only one dream: treat a real Lamborghini, and blogger Andrew Parker was able to make that dream come true.
Socorro! Espero que você não tenha escolhido em mim, né? É uma boca do caixão vampiro. Eu acho uma manica. Tipo, forte tarefa, eu do forte
Woman was trapped, drying a fold. Her car was quickly sinking in water. So these three men formed a human scenes to save her at the last second. Random Russian guy had no idea how to help this poor deer, but he received to leave the animal in a crisis and did the impossible.
Вот молодец, красавец. Спасибо, хоть сказал.
At how little it takes to make a whole bunch of strangers smile. This married couple saw a turtle that had washed it ashore. It was entangled in fishing net and could hardly breathe. The man was barely able to cut the net and set the animal free while his wife raced into trees. Driver lost control in the middle of a busy highway, but the body driver reacted immediately. This old man saw a stray dog dying of thirst directly in front of a water source, so he gave the dog water straight from his hand. As they say, you can tell a lot about a person by how they trust. Big guy is helping his little bro to get out of the flood. waters. This man went to his favorite barber shop to shave his head due to cancer, so his barber decided to support him in a very touching way, and then everyone who was there at that moment joined him, an incredible example of support. This Zimbabwe farmer was supposed to throw away foods that were unsuitable for export, but instead he gives to tailors worth of orange to hungry elephants and monkeys. This little girl is taking the photo with her favorite team, not supporting that guy. Have a surprise for her. Her mom, who she hasn't seen in a long 7 months. What a touching moment. This ride could have been the last for this motorcyclist if he hadn't touched a blue SUV in the time when the car driver walked towards him. He was ready for anything but this.
Alright, very sorry. Thank you. Thank you for stopping. Thank you for stopping, sir. Yes. You have a good Memorial Day. Sure, you're okay.
Russian women got trapped under a Mercedes after an incident and random pass by lift the 2.5-ton car just to save her. Fortunately, the woman was not hurt. When a fireman pulled a dog from a burning house, the poor little guy could no longer breathe on his own, but their heroes fought for his life until they won. So shark ended up on the shore, and no one needed to help it except for those two brave guys who wanted freedom of this sharp soul. This teen found a wallet with $1,500 and decided to return it to the owner. He just left the wallet on the pouch without taking a cent.